Well, hello there. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and this is the Cranberry Trail Farmhouse. I'm so excited that you're visiting today because in today's episode, we're going to do a cleaning routine and also decorate the house. So let's go ahead and get started. Today is Friday and I have a few items on my to-do list, and one of them is starting some laundry. And then we're going to do some decorating of the Easter decor. When I was going to the entryway to start decorating, I was wondering where Stella was, and I found her in the living room, sitting on her bed, sunbathing. She always likes this spot. So now I'm going to start decorating all the decor that I had for Easter, and I'm going to do also a quick cleanup and then put some new decor. Please comment below and let me know how was your Easter. When I put the decor away, I like to put the decor in individual bins. I usually label the bin according to the holiday. I also like to group the same decor in Ziploc bags, so by that they're all organized inside the bin. Please comment below and let me know how you store your seasonal decor. I find this method is very efficient and also very organized. Now that I put away all the Easter decor that it was on this table, I'm going to give a quick cleanup to the table, and then we're going to start decorating. I'm going to use Windex to clean the mirror. This mirror was from the Bombay Company store. I used to love that store, but unfortunately it closed down many years ago. Now I'm using the Swiffer to dust the table. When I was at Costco a few weeks ago, I noticed that they were selling the heavy-duty Swiffer, so I went and bought a box, and I think it works really well. Now that all the surfaces have been cleaned, I'm going to start decorating. I'm going to bring back this window that it was from TJ Maxx, and it was originally painted in blue, and I decided that I like it better in white, so I used Annie's Long paint to paint it, and then I distressed it with dark wax. On this side of the table, I'm going to add a small book, and on top I'm going to put this glass vase with some tulips and other flowers. I got these tulips a few years ago at Michael's. On the other side of the table, I'm going to add this wire cloche that is from Michael's. I got this a few years ago at the Michael's in Maryland. In the center of the table, I put this very cute garden boot with some lily of the valley flowers, and this is how everything looks. I also added some greenery inside the cloche. Please comment below and let me know what you think about this entryway decor. And if you are enjoying this video, please take some time to subscribe and give a big thumbs up to the video. Now I'm going to remove all the gel clings that I had on the side windows. I like to reuse the gel clings at least for 2 years. And I usually put them in these Ziploc bags, and they hold very well for 2 years. Now I'm going to go in the porch to remove the garland that is on top of the door and also the door wreath. I live in a coastal town in Massachusetts, and the weather is still very cold. As a matter of fact, a few days ago we got a northeastern storm and we got a lot of rain, and it was very cold. The day that I'm filming this video is a Friday, and that's the day that there was an earthquake in New York. Some of my relatives in Massachusetts felt the earthquake, but I didn't feel anything where we live at. Please comment below and let me know if you felt the earthquake, if you live in the area that the earthquake happened. I'm using Windex and a microfiber cloth to clean all the side windows around the door. Now that I finished cleaning all the glass, I'm going to check on the washer machine to put all the things in the dryer and put another load of laundry. Before we continue with the house cleaning, I'm going to go to the kitchen to prepare some lunch for me and also to clear some dishes that are in the sink and empty the dishwasher. I'm using these low carbohydrate tortillas to make a pizza. I put some real sauce on top of the tortilla and then I add some mozzarella cheese and I bake it in the oven for a few minutes and they taste delicious. For lunch, I usually have a quick snack like this. I don't like to eat too much for lunch. I'm going to place the tortilla on the oven rack to cook. This oven is a Ninja oven and I got it at Costco. I love using this Ninja oven because I don't have to use the large oven for this kind of cooking. This morning I prepared this smoothie that has spinach, blueberries, strawberries, yogurt, and water and ice. And I'm going to drink the leftover for lunch. I use plain yogurt to prepare this smoothie, so it doesn't have too much sugar. After about 6 minutes in the oven, the pizza is all ready. This is how the pizza looks. I love that it's very crunchy and it tastes like a real pizza. I'm going to take a few minutes to eat my lunch and then I'm going to check back on the laundry to see what is done. I'm going to quickly fold these towels and then I'm going to put the other load of laundry to dry. Now I'm going to put another load of laundry in the washer machine and then we're going to go back and continue cleaning the house. Moving on to the kitchen, I'm going to load the dishwasher and then we're going to continue on decorating the living room. Now that the kitchen is nice and tidy, I'm going to go back to the dining room to start on decorating and putting all the Easter decor away and then decorating the dining room. While I put away all the Easter decor, I also have the automatic vacuum cleaner running in the foyer and also the dining room to clean all the floor. We bought this vacuum cleaner a few years ago and I absolutely love it. It does a great job cleaning all the dust around the house. We name it Rosie, like the housekeeper in the Jetsons cartoon. After I remove all the Easter decor on the dining room table, I'm going to use the Swiffer to remove all the dust, and then we're going to decorate the dining room table. To decorate the table, I'm using this beige table runner that is from HomeGoods. For the centerpiece, I'm using this green Lenox vase that I picked up at Macy's many years ago. On top, I put some beautiful roses and grapes that I picked up at Pier 1 Import. These roses are over 10 years old and they still look great. I used to love shopping at Pier 1 Imports. They used to have very beautiful pieces to decorate your home. Now I'm going to undecorate the hutch and decorate it again. I'm placing all the flowers in a shopping bag and then I'm going to bring it downstairs to the basement to place them in the corresponding bins. Now that everything is clear from the hutch, I'm going to do a quick cleanup on the mirror and the hutch, and then we're going to start decorating. To decorate the hutch, I'm using this beautiful wicker basket that is from IKEA, and I decorated with some beautiful fern that is from Michael's. I'm going to add in front of the wicker basket these very cute vases that are from the Brown & Hopkins country store in Rhode Island. I'm also using this stand to place this beautiful green plate with berries that is from TJ Maxx. On the other side of the hutch, I placed this white bowl with some garland wrapped around the bowl. So let's go ahead and take a look to see how everything looks. Please comment below and let me know what is your favorite decorative piece in the dining room. To finish today's decor, I went ahead and placed a wreath on the door. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now all the items on my to-do list have been completed. So I'm going to go now and check the laundry to see if it's already done, and then fold the laundry and call it a day because I have to start cooking dinner. I love that you stay until the end of the video and join me to finish all the to-do list today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much for watching the video. And if you are a new visitor today, I hope that you take some time to subscribe and click the notification bell so you will not miss any of the episodes. And also, don't forget to give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Jacqueline Marie and this is the Cranberry Trail Farmhouse. See you next time.